The 2025 Tata Tiggo is set to redefine expectations in the compact SUV segment with its bold design, feature-rich interior, and competitive pricing. As one of Tata Motors' most anticipated launches, the Tiggo blends urban sophistication with rugged practicality, aiming to appeal to young professionals, small families, and city dwellers who want style without sacrificing substance. From the first glance, the Tiggo impresses with its modern aesthetics. It carries Tata's new design language featuring sharp character lines, a sculpted bonnet, and a wide front grille with integrated LED DRLs. The sleek headlamps and striking alloy wheels add a premium touch, while the sporty stance and high ground clearance give it the rugged edge needed to tackle Indian roads. Available in vibrant color options and with a contrasting roof design, the Tiggo is clearly targeted at trend-conscious buyers looking for something more distinctive in their daily drive. Under the hood, the 2025 Tiggo is expected to come with two powertrain options, a 1.0 turbocharged petrol engine and an all-electric variant, which aligns with Tata's broader push towards sustainable mobility. The petrol engine delivers a peppy performance, making it ideal for urban commuting and occasional highway trips. The EV version, likely drawn from the Ziptron technology seen in Tata's other electric models, promises an impressive range of over 350 kilometers on a single charge, with fast charging capability enabling 80% charge in under an hour. This makes the Tiggo a practical choice for eco-conscious buyers seeking convenience and low running costs. Inside, the Tata Tiggo surprises with a spacious and thoughtfully designed cabin. The dashboard features a large floating touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a digital instrument cluster, and connected car tech that includes remote vehicle monitoring, geofencing, and over-the-air updates. The upholstery feels upmarket with soft touch materials, and the ergonomics ensure a comfortable experience for both driver and passengers. Rear seat space is generous for the segment, with adequate legroom and headroom, and the boot space is sufficient for weekend trips or daily errands. Tata has placed a strong emphasis on safety in the Tiggo, offering standard features like 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, ESP, hill hold assist, and a 360-degree camera. With its expected 5-star global NCAP safety rating, the Tiggo will likely carry forward Tata's legacy of making some of India's safest cars, reinforcing buyer confidence in this new model. What truly sets the 2025 Tiggo apart is its value proposition. With prices likely starting around 8 rupee for the base petrol variant and going up to 13 rupee for the top-end EV model, it sits comfortably between affordability and aspiration. Whether it's the daily office run, weekend getaways, or just the desire to own something modern and tech-savvy, the Tiggo hits the sweet spot. In an increasingly crowded compact SUV market, the 2025 Tata Tiggo makes a strong case for itself by offering a stylish design, practical features, a choice of petrol and electric powertrains, and top-notch safety. Tata Motors seems poised to disrupt the segment once again, and the Tiggo could very well become one of the best-selling models in its class. It's not just a car, it's a bold step into the future of urban mobility.